Hey there everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then please do consider subscribing and hit the bell button to keep you updated for all the videos that I'll be uploading. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how did I do the neurofitness exercise for my students that I did in Canva. First thing we need to do is to visit canva.com. If you're not signed in, you need to sign up using your Google account. Since we're going to make a video, then let's click the video right here in the quick access toolbar. And here, we're gonna choose the video landscape. Now it will give us a blank canvas. We can choose some templates here. You can browse it out. We just use the template that I recently used. I already like this template, so we just modify a little. We can insert some elements here. Click on elements, curves here. We can adjust the size and just the color. Just choose red or something red. Now, the first page here, we're going to make it 1 second just to let the students see that it's a neurofitness exercise. So let's just insert the text just right here, add text, or you can choose here. There are also some styles that you can choose here. Neurofitness. Let's adjust. You can highlight this one and then you can click right here to adjust the size. There. You can also just simply drag this one to make it bigger. Yeah, I think that's enough. Next one, we're going to do a countdown. So let's just duplicate the page, just edit the text. So just have 3 second countdown. So let's make it bigger. 3 and we need to animate this one just right here, animate, and then choose any animations that you like here. Let's choose the breathe. You can also adjust the scale, then duplicate, just insert the 2. We don't need to animate again because we just duplicated the page and the animation is also duplicated. Next one, we're gonna do this time the exercise. So while the student is doing the exercise, they're also going to have the brain exercise. So I want them to do some arithmetic while doing the exercise. So 1 plus 2, let's position just right there. Canva already gave us the alignment here. If you look at the grid, if you see the pink rectangle right there, Canva gives us the perfect alignment. Now let's insert the positions. Let's go to elements and you can type in here exercise and hit enter. Be sure to click the graphics from the category right here. Okay, there are a lot of exercises that you can choose here, but I already chosen some. So I just go to the recently used graphics here. Just look at that. So since I already made it up, so that's why it appears here in the recently used graphics. So let's just do this. Click graphics and then it will insert directly here. You want this position to be in 3 seconds. Then duplicate this. So let's just delete this and edit our arithmetic here. Then let's choose another graphics right from the positions. You can choose to have the same color. So let's make it blue, for example. Right? Then we're going to make it blue as well. Be sure to click the graphics so it won't mess up. Click the page and Control D to duplicate. Next, again, edit and then change the position. So we're done with the 5 positions. Now we're going to insert the good job page here. Just delete the graphics and edit the text. Good job. We need to give this one as a compliment of our students in doing the exercise well. So next, go to elements and insert some thumbs up. Alright, hit enter and then let's find some elements here. Let's go to graphics. This one's cute. Alright, there There you go, right? Now I think we need to insert an audio right here. Audio. Be sure to click the audio from the category. So it will give you some music here. You can choose right here. I think this is good. So let's just click on that. Position your cursor right here. So the music will start from the beginning. So what was that? Alright. Now click on the music track. I think the music is too loud. So let's decrease the volume. So let's just click on this and then adjust it. Let's listen. Then I think this is all good. So we're ready to download our video. Now let's over our mouse to share. Then click on that. Then download. Be sure to have MP4 video for your file type, but most of the time Canva already suggests MP4 for the videos that you saved or made. Just click download here. Let's wait for the download to be saved on our local file. It's right here. Alright. If you think this video gives you an idea on how to make some educational videos like this, then give me a thumbs up. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.